Good morning, children. How are you? Hope you all are going good and safe at home, spending your best time with your family. I am familiar to many of you. Well, I am Shalini. Children, how's your vacation? Did you enjoy? Yes, I hope you all enjoyed. But now it's time to start a little bit on our studies. I think this is going to be a special moment to you. Today, I am going to introduce you a new language. Have you any guess? Yes, it's Hindi. This is our Hindi textbook, Hindi Varnamala. Hope all have textbook with you. I know that you all are eagerly waiting to learn Hindi. Do you know Hindi is the official language of our country. Nowadays, it is necessary to know Hindi. Are you ready? Let's start. Do you like poems? How about starting with a poem? Are you ready? Chamka chanda cham cham cham, tare karte tim tim tim, धूप निकली tam tam tam, सूरज चमका cham cham cham, बारिश आई cham चम चम, नाचे कूदे तुम और हम. Get it? Are you ready? Let us sing together. Yes. 1, 2, 3, start. चमका चंदा चम चम चम, चमका चंदा चम चम चम, तारे करते टिम टिम टिम, धूप निकली तम तम तम, धूप निकली तम तम तम, सूरज चमका चम चम चम, बारिश आई चम चम चम, बारिश आई चम चम चम, नाचे कूदे तुम और हम. Very good, children. Keep it up. How was the poem, children? Did you enjoy? Hope you all enjoyed it. Like Malayalam Varnamala, Hindi Varnamala has Swarakshars and Vyanjanakshars. I repeat, Hindi Varnamala has Swarakshars and Vyanjanakshars. First of all, we will be dealing with Swarakshars. Do you learn Swarakshar? Yes, I know that. You already learned Swarakshar in Malayalam from lower class. Do you remember that? Can you say which are the Swarakshars? Yes, let's try. A, A, I, U, R. E, I, O, Au, These are the Swarakshars in Malayalam. In the same way, Hindi has Swarakshars. The first swar in Hindi is swar A. See. What is this? This is letter A. You already learned letter A. A, Amma. In the same way, we can write Hindi swar A. This is Hindi swar A. A, Anar. Tell all together. A, Anar. A se, Anar. Again. A se, Anar. Once again. A se, Anar. See, children, let us see the picture starting with letter A. This is the swar A. A se, Anar. A se, Anar. Tell all together. say anar. What is anar? Do you know? Anar means pomegranate. Anar means pomegranate. Say, tell again together. Say anar. Can you say more examples starting with letter A? I will show you. See children, what is this? This is letter A and it is example Adrak. Adrak. Do you know what is Adrak? Adrak means ginger. It is a vegetable. All of you tell together. Say Adrak. Say Adrak. Then what is this? See the picture. Say Ajgar. Say Ajgar. Ajgar means snake. What is Ajgar? Ajgar means snake. Did you get it? Hope it's clear for you. Now we learn letter A. Let us learn how to write it. See children, how I am writing this letter A. Look at here. Start from here. Come this way like 3. Then small curve. Go up. Come down. Small line. This is Sir A. Children, say it again and again. Say anar. Say anar. Okay children, now let's see what we have learned today. Today we learned Sor A and its example Adrak, anar, Ajgar. Adrak, Ajgar and anar. Hope it's clear for you. Let's move to our activity. Today's activity is, children, please take your textbook, turn the page, take page number 2. You can see here letter A and its example anar. Tell all together, say anar. Once again, say anar. Now your task is, you can see here letter A with the dotted lines. You have to trace over it and practice. I repeat, you can see letter A with dotted lines. You trace over it the letter A and practice. After that, you move to the next page, page number 3. You can see here letter A. You can see blank spaces here. Now, you write letter A without the help of dotted lines. I repeat, you can see here blank spaces and write the letter A without the help of dotted lines. It's clear? Children, you do one thing. While you writing this letter A, you should say that word. Say anar. Again, say anar. And practice. So, it's enough for today. I think everyone understood it. Thank you children. See you again. Have a nice day.